video one. There's more and more people out. And I think that really is indicative of our movement and the movement towards bringing better rights in for animals. So tonight, we're going to first start off by showing you guys a video. You don't want to hear me, you just want to see what we've done this year. And then we're going to say a couple things, and then you're going to go on to enjoy the evening. So, but before I do that, I want to say thank you to all of the contributors to our silent auction tonight. There's some amazing items that you can bid on. Don't be shy, go sign up, go bid on some items. Thank you to our event organizer, Amanda Tracy, to all of our volunteers for the evening. If you're Instagramming or using other social media tonight, please tag us in it. It's at @AnimalJustice_ on Instagram, at @AnimalJustice on Twitter. You can find us. So I'm going to pop back there and show the video.
To be allowed to give we actually have a constitutional right to do so.
And we're helping push groundwork the country.
Currently, there's a proposed bill before the Senate aimed at ending cetacean captivity.
Important hurdle late this year.
We really have to see cetaceans as our equals.
The motion has
Film a dog's purpose.
A dog appears to be forced into a tank of fast-running water against its will. Animal Justice has filed a formal complaint.
In 2017, we helped put farmed animal cruelty on the national agenda and ignited calls for better enforcement and oversight.
Critics say the problem is that it's a self-regulating industry.
It is literally the fox guarding the hen house.
We want
You know, when I first went to law school, I had no idea becoming an animal rights lawyer would be a dream that would ever transpire and whether it would actually work out. And I was really lucky to meet Anna in law school and also her husband Arden, who does so much work for us. And my friend Ben in the back, who represents Animal Justice as well. And we are a movement that's growing rapidly. If you want proof of that, just look around you in this room tonight. Look at all of you who are here, who are willing to stand up and fight for animals just like we are. It was a really exciting year. I'd love for Anna to say a few words about what we worked on for farmed animals this year and what we have to come in 2018.
So thank you so much, everyone. I'm just looking around and realizing that there are so many more familiar faces I haven't had a chance to say hi to, and my voice is quavering a little bit because when I see this, when I look this work means everything to me. I do this work because I moved to do it. I'm not a lawyer because I really like law. I'm doing animal rights law because I really care about animals. I care about justice. I care about compassion. I'm motivated to work especially in the area of farmed animal issues because we're killing hundreds of millions of farmed animals every year. Yeah. They suffer miserably from birth to death. I mean, we all know that, right? I mean, the numbers are staggering, the suffering is staggering. It can be overwhelming at times, and I know that's why it means so much to so many of you here to get together, to a room full of people who get it. We care deeply. We're different in so many ways, but what we really have in common is more important than any of that. We share a huge drive, a motivation for justice, for compassion, to care about animals, to see the world just slightly differently, to shift our perspective and to realize that what we're doing is wrong. We know it's wrong, and we need to change it. We're all fighting so hard in our different ways. People are fighting on the streets, they're fighting by writing, they're fighting on social media, showing people how to cook, showing people all kinds of different ways of living a better way. We at Animal Justice are one part of that fight. We're changing laws, we're getting laws enforced, that's part of it. We've got to take some of that changing momentum that all of us are working towards and translate it into changing laws. I see Jordan knows about the changing laws over there. We're all doing this together. This is one big movement, and these are some amazing victories that we were able to achieve this year at Animal Justice with your support. But this is one big movement. You guys are my family! Don't forget to get on this little Camille, you can talk more about that.
I'll cover all that stuff.
She'll take care of the details.
So 2017 was pretty kick-ass. I'm pretty proud of what we all accomplished together. This is not just Anna and me and a few other people doing this. This is all of us. It's all of you who got Vancouver Park Board to pass a ban on keeping cetaceans. That was just one way that all of us together together took a bite out of the entertainment industry this year. The writing is on the wall, in my view, for that industry, and we are going to see cetaceans out of captivity sooner rather than later. It's happening, and there's nothing that Marineland and the Vancouver area can do to stop it.
Director of the